Hello, welcome to another video. So this is a step number 1 for WhatsApp marketing, and in this video we will learn what is SMSrush.net and how to create an account on SMSrush. So let's get started. Go to your browser, open a new tab and type SMSrush.net. So SMSrush is an all-in-one tool. This is a very awesome tool and developed by our team. So we have over 6 years of experience, and this is a one way of doing marketing for your business. You can do that for your e-commerce store, for B2B, for your customers engagement, for your team management as well, to send the notifications for OTP, sending transactional messages, each and everything you can do here, and you can try that for free for a lifetime. So it has a lot of features. You can do SMS messaging, WhatsApp messaging, and there's a lot of automation tools. You can see here, you can use the shortcodes, you can use the spin tags, you can translate your message to the multiple if you're going to use that for multiple languages other than the English. API keys are provided, so if you want to integrate that tool with your software or any website, you can do that. You can schedule your campaigns, webhooks, USSD notification, each and everything you will learn in this course. So first of all, you need to create an account on SMSrush. For that, you simply need to click on sign in. On the sign in page, you need to click on create account. So this is the first step that you need to do. And if you already have created account, you can log into your account. First of all, you need to insert your full name, and then you need to insert your email address, your password, confirm the password, select the time zone and country code. So make sure you selected the right time zone for your scheduled campaigns, because on that time zone basis your campaigns will get triggered. And then click on sign up. As I already have created the account, I will directly log into my account. So I will click on sign in, insert the password, click on I am not a robot and sign in. So you'll see a green message here and you will get logged into your account. See you in another video how you can connect your WhatsApp account with SMSrush. See you in the next video.